Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make DOI MAACH, a very delicious fish recipe in yogurt gravy, which is best to enjoy with hot steamed rice. And friends, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't for more interesting recipes to come. And now, let's get started with this interesting fish recipe. So to make DOI MAACH, I have taken here 6 pieces of Rohu fish, and now I'm going to season them with around half teaspoon of salt or as per taste. I am not adding turmeric powder as I want to keep the gravy white. Now rub the salt well on both the sides of the fish pieces. And we will let them rest for about 10 minutes. Next we need around 250 grams of thick curd or dahi, which we need to whisk well to get a smooth consistency. But see to it that the curd is fresh and not too sour. Next goes 3 tablespoons of thick cashew paste. This will make our fish gravy thick and creamy. For seasoning, I will add half teaspoon of salt or as per taste and 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. Now mix this well and our thick and creamy yogurt base is ready. Next, heat a kadhai and add some mustard oil to fry the fish pieces. And when the oil is hot enough, we'll add the fish pieces, season with salt. Keep the flame on medium. After about 1 minute, flip the fish pieces and we need to fry them till they are light golden brown from both the sides. And by now the fish pieces are fried golden brown from both the sides. So I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. Now in the same kadhai, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds or Zeera. Then goes 1 cinnamon stick or dalchini, 1 bayleaf or tejpatta, 3 green cardamoms or elaichi and 2 cloves or long. Let this flutter for a while. Now goes 1 large onion which has been thinly sliced, and on medium flame we need to saute the onions till they turn golden brown. And as you can see, the onions has been fried golden brown. Next goes 2 tablespoons of onion ginger garlic paste. Now saute them well until the raw taste of onion ginger garlic goes away. And once the onion ginger garlic paste has been fried well, we will add 1 green chilli slit into half. Then goes half teaspoon of salt or as per taste for seasoning and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or Zeera powder. Mix this well. And now turn off the flame because we are going to add the beaten curd or dahi along with the cashew paste. And now we need to stir and mix the curd and cashew paste really well with the rest of the ingredients so that they are well combined. Now turn on the gas again and keep on stirring it. I will add now some water from the bowl where I had whisked the curd and cashew paste. Mix this really well again. And as the gravy comes to a boil, we will add the fried fish pieces. Coat the fish pieces with the gravy. Check for the salt proportion once. Little bit of salt is required, so I'm adding here 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. Mix this well. And now on low to medium flame, we will cover and let the fish simmer in the gravy for about 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes now. Let's check the gravy. And our gravy looks rich and thick. And now time to serve them hot. And friends, here goes our rich and creamy DOI MAACH into the serving bowl. Enjoy this delicious fish curry recipe with hot steamed rice. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious DOI MAACH recipe. Also share your feedbacks, and if you enjoyed my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more such interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.